Good morning, Year 2. Your maths task for today is to learn how to solve two-digit column subtraction sums. So, if you're doing one smiley face, then you'll have these exact problems in your books. I couldn't find any picture ones online, so I drew my own instead. So you've got picture subtraction problems. Remember, guys, these lines represent tens, these dot represents ones. So let's count our tens and our ones in that number and write it as a sum right here. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I'm going to write that there. 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, let's solve this problem here. We've got 1 10, so I can put my 1 in my tens column just there, and 4 ones, so I'm going to put my 4 in my ones column just there. Okay. Now the first thing we're going to do is solve our ones problem. Okay, so we're going to go down in our column and we're going to subtract 4, take away 4. Okay, we've got 4 and we're going to take away 4. 4 take away 4 leaves us with 0. We've got nothing left at all there. That doesn't mean we haven't got anything left in our whole sum because we have to subtract our tens. We're going to do that now. Subtracting our tens, going downwards in our column, 3 tens take away 1 10. Which is the same as saying 30 take away 10, which gives us the answer 20, or 2 lots of 10. So 20 is our final answer. That's our final answer right there. Let's try again with this one here. Remember to count your tens really carefully. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're going to put our 4 in our tens column just there. 4 tens, 40. Let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 tens and 6 ones, and 2 tens, 2 in our tens column, and 2 ones. Okay, the first problem we're going to solve is 6 take away 2. 6 take away 2 equals 4, so I'm going to write that in my column just here, in my ones column just there. Now 40 take away 20, or 4 tens take away 2 tens. 4 tens take away 2 tens equals 2 tens, or 20, which gives me the answer 24. You guys shouldn't have too much trouble with that, but if you do have a problem with that method, just try again until you know how to do it. Remember, subtract your ones column first, then subtract your tens column. Okay, for 3 smiley faces today, you have got problems that are a little bit more complicated. So you need to borrow. You need to do some borrowing. Okay, you've got numbers like this. 56, take away 39. Now, 56 is the bigger number, which is perfect because we're subtracting. Whenever we subtract, we always start with our biggest number. 56 is the bigger number, okay? But if we look in our ones column, can you see that we've got 6 there and 9 there? What are we going to do? Usually, when I show children this problem, they say, I know what we can do. We can just do 9 take away 6. But that's a completely different sum because that means that we're doing 59 take away 36, which isn't the problem we have to solve today. Imagine if you're using money and you take away the wrong amount, then you might lose some money or you might lose some change. So we can't do that. We can't change numbers, okay? So what we need to do is we need to borrow a 10, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. 6 take away 9. We can't do that problem because that number is smaller than that number. So we're going to cross this 5 out. We're going to turn that 5 into 4 tens, and we're going to carry 1 10 over there to make that into 16. 16 take away 9. We can do that problem, can't we? Because that number is bigger than that number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 7. Then we've got 4 tens, take away 3 tens, which we can also do because that number is bigger than that number, and it equals 1. So our final answer is 17. Let's try again here. Okay, in our ones column, we've got 4 take away 8. We can't do that because that number is smaller than that number. So we're going to borrow 10, cross that out, turn that into a 5, carry our 10 over here to make that 14. 14 take away 8. Okay, we can do that because that number is bigger than that number now. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Our answer is 6. And we've got 5 take away 1, which equals 4. Okay,